I want to show you some of the header features that we have built into Mai Theme. Here we have a demo of My Success, but with a standard header. If we go to Customize, Theme Settings, Site Header, here we can enable Sticky Header. You see as we scroll, it sticks, and you notice it shrinks a bit. That's from the logo setting we have here, the spacing. We could even go a little bigger to make it more drastic. So now when you scroll, the header is sticky and it shrinks very smooth. And now we can enable transparent header. And if you have a page header active or a cover or group block as the first block in your content, it creates a transparent header. And then when you scroll, it shrinks and the colors go back to the standard. Super powerful, super easy to use, and a great look. It's that easy.